So friends, one of the biggest announcement is being done by the Tata Communications. So finally they have announced the hiring for the role of engineer software and application development. So this is the biggest opportunity for the freshers. So make sure to go this video completely before applying that, okay? Because if you will miss some point, then you will say that I am not getting the reward mail or I am not getting selected. So make sure to go the video carefully after, means before applying to any opportunity. So Tata Communication, this company will not need any introduction. Coming to that, they are hiring for the entry level role, for the role of full stack developer with knowledge of Java, React and Python. So if you have technical knowledge in Java, React and Python, then you are able for this. So what will your roles and responsibility? So candidate will work on both front end and back end application development, means it will be a full stack development role and full stack role. So backend development will involve Java and Spring Boot to build REST API and services, and front end development you will work on React JS and other UI components. So this is a wonderful opportunity, everyone should apply. So candidate role require understanding of HTML, CSS, JavaScript and SQL database, and strong problem solving skills and willingness to learn are the basic things I think everyone should have. Now, who are eligible for this role? So freshers or candidates with up to 5 years of experience can apply. Means they clearly mention that freshers are eligible for this. So if you are fresher, then you should apply for that too. Either 2026, 2025, 2024, 2023, all can apply. But fresher, I will suggest you should apply. And again, saying friends, make sure to apply with your updated resume. Why I'm saying updated resume? Because you can see they have different requirements. In this particular opportunity, they have requirement in Java, React, and Python. So make sure to include all those skills in your resume. Again saying, whenever I'm sharing any opportunity now, then you should apply all those opportunity with different resume, don't apply with the same resume, okay? Suppose they are having requirement in Salesforce domain, so you should mention Salesforce domain in your resume, then only resume will be selected. So that's the thing I want to tell you, okay? So this is a full-time role and this is a wonderful opportunity. They haven't mentioned the salary, but you should apply. For applying, just click here apply now, then you will be directed to their career page, and there you have to basically provide all those basic details, okay? So if you have some mail ID, then you can sign in. Otherwise, if you don't have mail ID, just you have to create your account. So just basic things, I think you know how to create account. So just give your first name, last name, mobile number, email ID and password, and just retype your password. Then you will be directed to new page and it will be there. So if your comment will be there, then I will make a dedicated video about the registration process. So go and apply for this wonderful opportunity. And friends, we have already launched the coding series for the TCS NQT. So if you will prepare for the NQT now, then you will be ready for all company, either Cognizant, Wipro, Accenture or any MNCs. For any MNC you will be बेसिकली मीन्स योर प्रिपरेशन विल बी डन. सो आप कोई भी एक कंपनी को टारगेट करें, मीन्स एनक्यूटी को आप टारगेट कीजिए, आपका सभी कंपनी का प्रिपरेशन हो जाएगा. सो यू कैन फॉलो आवर सीरीज एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो ज्वाइन आवर व्हाट्सएप टेलीग्राम ग्रुप getting free preparation material. I am sharing their free notes, free preparation material, aptitude, reasoning, English books and questions for interview. So if you want, you can avail those benefit, and lots of other important hiring will be announced soon and still going on. That is from the Tech Mahindra, Deloitte, Mastercard. So if you haven't applied, by the way, then you should apply for that. And for getting such important content, you can subscribe us. So if you have any issue now, make sure to mention here. I will try to reply as soon as possible, and you can also DM me on Insta, Facebook, or whatever the platform you are comfortable with. So go and apply for this wonderful opportunity and don't miss it. Thank you.